Kigali is the capital and largest city of Rwanda. It is near the nation's geographic center in a region of rolling hills, with a series of valleys and ridges joined by steep slopes. The city has been Rwanda's economic, cultural, and transport hub since it became the capital following independence from Belgian rule in 1962. In an area controlled by the Kingdom of Rwanda from the 17th century and then by the German Empire, the city was founded in 1907 when Richard Kant, the colonial resident, chose the site for his headquarters, citing its central location, views and security. Foreign merchants began to trade in the city during the German era, and Kant opened some government-run schools for Tutsi Rwandan students. Belgium took control of Rwanda and Burundi during World War I, forming the Mandate of Rwanda-Urundi. Kigali remained the seat of colonial administration for Rwanda, but Rwanda-Urundi's capital was at Bujumbura in Burundi, and Kigali remained a small city with a population of just 6,000 at the time of independence. Kigali grew slowly during the following decades. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.